Okay, we made some progress, and I was just noting our bluestone patch here. Awesome. I'd say it hasn't moved a bit after winter. Yeah, love it. Okay, so I ran out of molding, but I did get the initial two pieces on, and then I have one side of the final molding. So I need to cut more. I need another two starters, and then more of this. Go all the way up. Now, so I thought I would start in this corner here, but I remember now this right here was soft. So I started pounding on it, and it's basically just rot. So I need to take this out because just covering it over is not an option. Needs to be repaired. It's probably because who knows when it happened. It could have been 100 years ago. The downspout comes down here. Probably was compromised up there, and it was because at one point that rotted out. So the water came down next to the building and then hit that and just sucked it in kinda. So I need to, I'm gonna get the chisel, pull out what I can, or pull out the bad stuff. Hopefully, I pounded over here and it sounds solid. Right here, pretty solid, not 100% great, but definitely getting solid. I pounded up here, I'm sorry, I pounded over here and it was getting solid. I pounded up here and it felt pretty good. So, I'm not sure what I'm gonna have to do, but first I gotta remove all the junk, all the rotten wood, and then get creative and fill that in. And then I need another board here, right here, to maybe even with the siding, and then I can start doing the molding. But I need to repair that, and I don't think it's happening now. Like it wasn't wet or anything, so this is something that happened in the past. And now that the roofs are better, it's not happening now. I'm pretty sure, but I will put good wood in there. If I have some treated, I will. But let's see what we can do. We need to repair that spot.